Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making your profile visible. Set profile and game details to public so Steam can display achievement data. Once done, focus on which achievements you want to highlight, pick a game and unlock or screenshot the specific feats you care about. Next, open your profile, choose Edit Profile, and add an achievements showcase. This immediately creates a place to feature a game and its top achievements. Make sure you've captured any visual proof you want to display before moving on. Now customize. Pick the game for the showcase and select the specific achievements or recent progress you want visible. Once selected, arrange multiple showcases on your profile, move achievements above other sections, add a background and relevant badges for visual weight, and attach the screenshots you took to reinforce authenticity. If you want more showcase slots, level your profile by crafting badges or spending trading cards. This lets you display a curated set of games and finish by previewing the profile as a visitor to confirm everything displays correctly. Share the link to test how others see it. Once satisfied, routinely update showcases after big unlocks, refresh the screenshots, and reorder sections so your most impressive achievements remain prominent. If an achievement fails to show, first confirm game details and profile are public, restart Steam, and verify the game's local files. If still unresolved, toggle online/offline, resync cloud saves, and contact Steam support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.